Hello everyone. So welcome back to the part 2 of B2B marketing strategy. So let's proceed further. In the previous video, part 1, we talked about basics of B2B marketing strategies and we discussed about how to develop B2B marketing strategies. Now we will proceed with two more topics, marketing channels and tactics and content marketing. After this, we'll try to cover metrics and analytics as well as trends in B2B marketing. So let's proceed with B2B marketing channels and tactics. Before this, I will quickly revise what we had covered in part 1 video. So we talked about the types of business markets, what are the purpose, why we serve these types of market as a B2B marketer, what are the objectives, and then we talked about different types of products also in B2B goods, B2B category, different products and goods category. So this will help us to formulate our strategy depending upon the nature of the product that or the nature of the services we are dealing. So in the last topic of discussion, we concluded with the discussion on how to target the audience. So targeting millennials, this is what we are discussing. That could be the right audience because the we need to contact the purchase managers also, purchase committee. We need to approach to the right person. And when we talk about B2B marketing, it is not like that single person is going to make any decision. There is a committee, number of people are involved into the purchase decision making process. It's not like consumer marketing. So we have to formulate our plans accordingly. So millennial or the Gen Y is the uh, right audience that we should target because people who are looking after, who are handling these uh, crucial positions, who are involved into the decision making process, they are very experienced also and they are tech savvy. So that is the reason we need to target this type of category. Now let's start with the new topic. So B2B marketing channels and tactics. Channels is like how we are going to approach to our customers. So there could be different channels. We can opt for the online channels as well as physical channels. Physical channels, when we talk about physical channel, we use a distribution channel. Maybe that may involve dealer, distributor, retailers also. And when we talk about online channel, so then we can opt for email marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, and even when we talk about other type of channels, account based marketing is a very popular technique or popular channel, and even trade show and networking events are very much popular. These are very effective also because our audience is very selective. It's not like we are going to approach to the larger audience. So in such scenario, trade show or the networking event could be very useful. And this account based marketing is also very useful. It focuses on tailoring marketing efforts to high value accounts for more personalized approach. In account based marketing, we deal with a number of customers and potential with having a large potential. Other types of that online channels that we can use are email marketing, content marketing, social media marketing. So these are the popular channels or the effective channels that we can use in B2B marketing. Now, when we talk about online presence or the online channels, then internet marketing, email marketing, and social media marketing work closely. Internet marketing is, yes, obviously, the social media marketing and email marketing involves internet marketing. It comprises of these two factors, email as well as social media marketing. And we can approach to the right audience and we can select our customers in a better way if we opt for email marketing or social media marketing. This helps us to convey our message more effectively. Now, email marketing, search engine optimization, and paid advertising. These are like different tactics that could be used in online marketing, digital marketing. This helps us in approaching to the right customer at right time, and yes, it saves our time also. Now, B2B content marketing. Content marketing is getting very popularized these days. This helps us to convey our message effectively to our customer, to our audience. Now, this also includes inbound marketing, digital marketing, and account-based marketing. So these are the upcoming trends of the B2B marketing. Now, in content marketing, what is the purpose? Why it is used? The content marketing, it educates and builds credibility rather than pushing for direct sales. It helps us to build a rapport with the customer, with the client. And thought leadership content can help us. position the company as an expert in its field. So we need to create a brand image of our company also, of the organization also, before we create a brand image, or we create an impact about our product quality and services. So this content marketing helps us in developing our credibility in front of our of our client or any organization that we are targeting as a supplier. Now, types of content that could be used: case studies, white paper, ebooks, webinar, and video. So these types of the content could be used for content marketing, and which will help us to create our impact, create our message more impactable. Now, matrices and analytics used in B2B marketing. Matrices and analytics are used to measure the impact. Now, what type of metrics we can use? Lead quality, conversion rate, conversion retention, customer lifetime value. Now, conversion rate is like how much customers or the audience we are targeting and how much we are able to convert them. Like we may be spending a lot of money for online advertising, for digital marketing, but how much clients we are able to convert, what was the exposed audience, and what is the conversion rate. Lead quality, again, that is also very important. What type of lead we are getting, we need to select right audience, then only we can identify the potential of our clients, of the customers. Conversion retention is also very important. Retaining a customer is very very important. We can get repetitive business from those customers, those clients. And customer lifetime value, again, this becomes a very important concept. It is the duration for which we are able to retain the customer, what type, how much business we are able to get from that customer. When we further talk about matrices and analytics, then as I discussed, lead generation, conversion ratio, customer lifetime value, and return on investment. These are the four important factors. So these are the important matrices we should look, always look forward for these type of matrices. All of our strategies, all of our plan must be evaluated on the basis of these criteria. Now, upcoming trends. These are some upcoming trends like personalization, video uh, creation, social media, influential marketing, hybrid selling, sustainability and social responsibility, quality conversations, data integration, ethical data practices, and audience brand interaction. So these are the upcoming trends that are getting very popular in B2B marketing. Now, some uh, sustainable growth keys to, what are the keys, like what is the key to get the sustainable growth in B2B marketing? So now, better communication, enhance efficiency, and conversion cohesion. These are the important factors that are required. So we need to understand our audience properly. The personalization, tailoring messages for major impact. Like as in B2B marketing, we deal with a limited audience. So we need to focus on personalization or so-called customization. And then data-driven decision making. Data-driven decision making help us to save our time as well as our cost also, and our decisions are very effective. With the help of AI and the past data, we can use this in making good quality decisions. And yes, customer relationship, CRM, customer relationship management is very very important if you want to get a long business for a longer run, longer duration, and if you want to improve the customer life value. Sales and marketing, all these activities need to be integrated. Continuous innovation is very much required to keep ourselves updated with the requirement of our customer, our client. Educate and inform. We need to create a trust, we need to build that trust and make our leadership effective. And enhancing loyalty, again, it becomes a very important. We can create loyalty by offering timely services, regular services. And agile adaptation, yes, flexibility in responding to the customer is very very important. So these are some keys to achieve sustainable growth in B2B marketing. So this is what we had covered as a strategy in B2B marketing. Thank you.